This is my top view. This is my top view. My chicken curry twist. Okay, see you on premiere. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I marinated the chicken. I will cook it later. Okay, give me 1 hour. 1 hour or 2 hours marinated. Okay, garlic. Onion. Ginger. Okay. Carrot. Yes. Potato. Yes. This is it. This is the bell peppers, assorted bell peppers. I cut it already and then I put in the frozen. So it's ready. Okay. And I will add green peas. Okay, I have to fry the potato and carrot. You have to fry it. It's cooked already, so I have to set aside. Ginger, garlic, onion, and then set aside again. Chicken gering. This is the one I marinated last day. Okay, continuously cooking the chicken. So now I put the coconut milk. One spoon curry powder. We add turmeric. We add chili flakes, Add pepper powder. Add oregano leaves. Add fish sauce. Now I add the one I set aside before, the onion, garlic, and ginger, and potato carrots. Okay? That's it. I add already. So you know exactly what I am cooking. Okay, let me cook the potato and carrot. I add green peas. This recipe, I make it twist. Because a lot of people cooking curry. So I have to twist this curry. Chicken curry, I have to twist. That's why I put the green peas. So the chili, I put it on. And now there is a bell peppers. The assorted bell peppers is in. So we have to cook this and then let me taste it. Oh, looks yummy. The vegetable, lots of. I love too much vegetable when I cook. I put a bit soya sauce to taste it. Okay, a little bit more. Cook the potato and carrot a little bit more, but the chicken is soft already. Then last, spicy chili. Now it's ready. My curry twist, my chicken curry twist. So yummy. See you on premiere. If you did not subscribe yet my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell for my notification. Give likes, share, and subscribe, and comment down below. Or leave a comment below. See you in premiere. Bye-bye. This is my chicken curry twist. So, plating time. That's it. So this is it. This is my chicken curry twist. Okay. And then let me taste it. Yummy.